Hi friend, Assalamu alaikum. This is Humayun Kiani. I believe all of you must be doing very well in these days. My dear friends, today I am going to talk about if you can dream, you can do it. Yes, my dear friends, this is the reality of this universe. As all the creatures of this universe do not have the ability to think, to imagine, and to dream. But human beings have been bestowed with the quality of dreaming, thinking, and imagining. Yes, my dear friend, if you want to get any target, if you want to achieve any target in your life, so the first step is think positively about that particular task. Don't keep your mind shut, as it would not think beyond its limits. Rather, you would stretch your mind so that it would think beyond the limits. Then you can easily dream about that particular object. For example, in this time, I have seen so many people and I have talked to them. They are not allowing their mind, their imagination to go wild. Yes, they do not want to think impossible. They do not want to imagine and dream of the biggest targets in their lives just because of their limiting mindset. So, my dear friend, here I would like to let you know that if you have made any target, if you want to achieve any big target, big objective in your life, so your duty is first of all make a clear vision about that object. Supposedly, you want to buy a car, a new car. So, you need to have a clear picture of that particular car in your mind. Instead of using the name of car, you would say Corolla 2020 in black color, automatic. In this way, you would give a clear-cut message to your mind. And the next step is you can also write down that word, the car, the specifications, and you can paste that page on the wall of your room where you would daily see that word. It means you are giving the message to your mind and it would accept better. And if you go one step forward, then you need to paste the picture of that car in your room. Yes, and if you are seeing the picture of that car in your room on daily basis, your mind would get clear-cut imagination, clear-cut picture about that particular car. And it would become easier for you to achieve, to get, to buy that particular car. Why? Because our mind does not think in words. It does not think in sentences. Rather, our mind thinks in form of pictures. So it is the good time when you are making any new plan. Just try to imagine. Just try to give your mind to think beyond limits. Yes, you need to stretch your mind so that it may go forward. And ultimately, you would see that if you would continue the same practice, after some time, you would be habitual of thinking big. And then you would automatically try to develop all the systems which would help you to achieve your target. So, my dear friends, if you have the ability to dream of your objects, to dream of your targets, then you can easily get them. So, try to boost the quality of imagination and thinking and dreaming. With this, I am very much thankful to all of you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.